The first time we're seeing the man police say caused a deadly 12-car pileup in the northwest part of the valley earlier this week. 19-year-old Jose Gutierrez made his first court appearance this morning.
He's facing open murder charges in the deaths of two people, including his pregnant girlfriend. Our KTNV heard from District Attorney Steve Wolfson about what those murder charges are being filed.
19-year-old Jose Gutierrez had cuts on his face and his arm in a cast as he faced a judge for the first time Friday morning for a deadly crash that happened right here Tuesday afternoon at Cheyenne and Jones. Police say he was going 100 miles an hour before crashing into cars that were stopped right here at a red light.
Jose Gutierrez walking into the courtroom with visible injuries from Tuesday's deadly crash.
Sir, I found probable cause for your arrest.
Cuts on his forehead and nose and his arm in a cast. He stands in silence as his attorney, former Chief Deputy District Attorney Thomas Moskal, asking for the hearing to be continued to next week.
Just let me get a little bit more information before I walk into the bail hearing.
Good morning.
In a news conference following the hearing Friday morning, Clark County District Attorney Steve Wolfson was asked by reporters why his office is now pursuing murder charges against Gutierrez.
We believe he was not impaired by alcohol or drugs, and therefore we believe, based upon all of the evidence to date, including a very descriptive video, that his actions were intentional, which gives rise to a charge of murder.
Around 3:30 Tuesday afternoon, police say Gutierrez slammed into cars stopped at a stoplight at the intersection of Cheyenne and Jones. The crash killed Gutierrez's pregnant girlfriend, 20-year-old Adeline Duran, who was riding in his passenger seat. The other victim killed was 38-year-old Edward Garcia, the driver of one of the cars stopped at the light. On Friday, Wolfson explained what he believes made Gutierrez's actions intentional.
Nothing was obstructing this defendant's view. All indications are that there was no braking before the collision, and that by itself gives rise to a degree of intentional conduct.
Wolfson says they're still investigating any potential motive, but calls this case horrifying, saying we all need to do something to stop reckless driving.
We all live here in Las Vegas, and in the last couple of months, couple of years, there's been too many of these cases.
Gutierrez will be held without bail until his next court appearance next week, which is currently set for next Tuesday morning at 8:30. Reporting in Northwest Las Vegas, I'm Guy Tannenbaum.